YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to pour screen liquid. Wait, I am sure this screen wash concentrate liquid into the car washer container. So let's get first we have to release the hood. For this we will use this, as you see we have to push it this like this, and then our hood will release. Now I will show you. So here is a lock which we have to pull it like this, and our hood will open. Then we will attach this lock into this hole, and this is the container in which we will fill this concentrate fluid. So this is original MGP screen concentrate. For this we have to pour this and add 1 liter of water in bottle. As you can see, I have already had water, so let's do it. Start. You can see this green color liquid, and I will pour it water. See, full water is gone. Show you how to use it. So this first we can see the all instrumental lights over here, and now what we will do, pull this throttle, and you can see wiper is working. As you can see, that's it for this. And you can also use it like if you want to clear it more, then you can use like this. You can adjust the speed of the wipers. Alright.